Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're comparing the new Rode Wireless Go to the Rode Shotgun Pro Plus, and we're also looking at the lav mic as well, seeing what impact that does have on the audio quality on a range of different factors, indoors, indoors and outdoors, long range and short range. We are testing it all today. So make sure you stay tuned and check out this video because the results are surprising. But if you don't want to watch the full video, go get the wireless Rode Go and the lav mic. Other than that, watch the whole video and see how we tested it. So here we've got some new microphones. So we're always experimenting with the audio quality, with the video quality. We want the best videos, best audio. So apparently we've done some research and the Wireless Go is the thing to have for audio, like the best microphone, and the Lav Go as well. That's supposed to be really good in terms of getting the best quality when you're out and about. Yeah, we've got this. We've also got this. Cool. So first things first, we'll open up the Wireless Go and see what we've got inside. It's one of those tough boxes. I'm not even joking this. You think I'm not doing this for comedic effect. I am just literally trying to get the box open. I've not been to the gym in a while, which could be the cause of this problem. Real fiddly little box. I might be opening it wrong, I don't know. But we're in. Okay, this is not a very user-friendly experience. Okay, so we've got the level 1 box sorted. Now we've got to go on to the boss box. This is like some game of Tekken where we're just going through tear here, but it's saying to go that way. I don't even know. I'm going to give up at this stage. So we managed to get into the box. So we've got our nice little travel pouch here. It says on the back of the box here, I think what we actually get. You get the receiver and the transmitter, 2 for windshield, 2 USB-C cables because these are rechargeable, the SC cable and the pouch, USB-C cable, USB-C, 1 for, 2 for, and the SC cable. First things first, we should have 2 transmitters, well, a transmitter and a receiver in here. They are quite small actually, they're smaller than I thought. I did think they were going to be a little bit bigger than that. They're actually not a terrible size to leave out on a table to pick up audio, to clip onto yourself. I must say they are an okay size. So how do we turn them on? Put that big button at the top. Oh yeah, so we've got a little microphone screen here. So if you see there, it is picking up audio, but obviously it's not plugged into the camera yet. We are still using the other mic. Okay, so we figured out which is the mic and which is the receiver. This bit here, this is the microphone. You can see in the top there. And then this is the receiver. You can see here we've got the levels. So we'll try it with the windshield on. That should just clip on by the looks of this little hole here. Yeah, so that's all on now. And as you can see, we're not quite maxing out those levels. So let's do a test of the audio and see what the quality is like. From Rode Mic Pro Plus to Wireless Go. So producer gauge, we're just trying to figure out where exactly the receiver is going to go on the rig. Can't actually see that it's going to clip anywhere. So we've just got it just kind of about 50 centimeters in front of us on the desk here. We've got the, what's it called, a wind shelter? What's it called? Yeah, the windshield. Got the windshield on it as well. We're just going to take that off and see if that makes any difference to the audio quality. So yeah, we've still got the receiver about 50 centimeters or so in front of us where we're speaking now. There's no windshield on it. So just kind of seeing how the audio quality is, if it's peaking, if there's any distortion. So I've got it clipped onto me. The real question, are you recording? Yeah. The real question is, can I have a drink without picking it up? We'll see in post-production. Did it peak? Maybe we're good. So yeah, we'll just see how it's like when we're walking around. So as you can see, this is our lovely little film set here. We've got the TV, all the banners, the lights here, things like that. This is the office. How's the sound quality? I don't know at this point. We're going to listen back and figure it out. What we'll do now actually is we've got the Lavalier Go. We're going to plug that in and see what difference that makes in terms of the audio quality when we're sitting down and also when we're wiring it up and walking around. Okay, so now we've got the Lavalier Go. Let's open up this bad boy. It's the same tricky little tough box. That's an absolute nightmare to get into. This is probably the hardest bit about getting all this kit set up, is just opening the bloody boxes. This is actually so difficult. Then it just, you do all that, you try and do it, and then you just mash up the box anyway. So we better hope this is good and we're not going to return it. Okay, well, yeah, we've managed to get into the box. Got a nice little pouch here. What we got in there? Probably not much in this one. Oh, I wonder what this is. Shall we eat it? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Just kidding, do not eat that. Warning, strangulation hazard. I'm not entirely sure what this means. It contains Kevlar and has the potential risk of causing lacerations and strangulation. Avoid looping around the neck and keep out of reach of children. So immediately I'm thinking it's got Kevlar. This should be pretty good quality, very durable. Kevlar is the stuff that they use to make bullet and stab-proof vests out of. So having that kind of technology in a cable is definitely a good sign and helps justify the £60 it cost. I went for white is because we do a lot of professional shooting in terms of me wearing shirts and suits. So I'm hoping that it's the most discreet in terms of being able to hide it. So we've got the little clip here. How the hell does this work? I honestly don't even know. Do you know? But yeah, we got there in the end. Took a little bit of guessing. But yeah, you literally just take the top bit off, ram it through the hole, put the top back on. Okay, so we're going to see now. We're going to plug this in and see what difference it makes. So we'll do a little test. We'll do a like-for-like test. So we'll keep that on the pocket there. Here I am just talking normal volume, doing an audio sample. We're going to now plug this in. Plug this in and we'll clip this. Can you change the angle of it? No. How the f do you clip it in the top here like that then? Like that? Are we clipped in? Okay, so now it's just clipped on. I suppose rather than doing it right there, one of the benefits of having the lav mic is that we can put it somewhere a little bit more sensible, such as here. So just see what the audio quality like now is when I'm talking to the camera. We did the coffee test, see if you can get any of those notorious gulp sounds. Yeah, you know, I don't know if it's done at the moment. When we get this thing loaded up, we'll see what the audio sounds like. I'll just do a little walk around. The main benefit of this is now is that, oh, rubbish. We can put this inside, so we can just clip this to the inside pocket. Didn't mean to clip it actually, you can just put it in your inside pocket, put all of that cables in there as well, and then it keeps it nice and tidy and out of sight. Okay, so let's go for a little walk. Again, you know, I'm just talking at the camera, talking to you guys, seeing what the audio quality is like. You know, we're doing the comparison to the Rode Plus Mic Pro Go 10 or whatever it was called. Yeah, let's go take a walk around the office and see what it's like compared to the Rode at a couple of different meters whilst in an indoor setting. So we managed to turn it around, just got to use that little bit there to loosen it. This is probably how you would have it, especially if we're at a distance. You would barely see it because, you know, in all of my videos I'm usually wearing a white shirt, so I've got the white one. We might also get the black one as well if it becomes a problem and we don't like the aesthetic of it. Otherwise, let's go have a look around and do some tests at different lengths. Yeah, so as you can see previously, I would not be able to talk whilst looking at this way because the audio would be complete rubbish. Whereas I've got complete freedom to just keep talking even though I'm not even looking at the camera. So this means rather than just looking at my face, people can actually look at the back of my head. Hey, didn't see you there. Like that we've previously been using, it's the Rode, what is it?
Rode Mic Pro Plus.
It's the Rode Mic Pro Plus. We've previously been using this. It's a good shotgun mic. I think it's one of the better ones out there. But in terms of all the inside studio recording that we tend to do, I thought especially if we're doing podcasts and other kind of stuff that we're repurposing the content for, I personally thought the audio was a little bit tinny and a little bit flat for my liking. So we're looking at what other solutions there are. Let's do a couple of tests. So this is about what, 3 meters away, and the receiver's still on the camera. The transmitter's in my pocket, about 3 meters. All the way back here as well. This is a large room, it's quite empty, so there's a lot of echo, so it'd be interesting to see what the quality there is. But yeah, but we're probably a good 10 to 15 meters away now. Is the transmitter still receiving it? Is there any distortion there? That's definitely something to consider. And even then, you know, if we walk out of here and then through this door, is the audio still being picked up? So what we'll do now is we'll just test it using the Rode shotgun mic just to see what the difference is, especially when that close range. Is there any difference? Obviously there will be a lot of difference when we get to, you know, being through the next door. So yeah, let's give that a try. So yeah, this is the Rode Shotgun Mic Plus Pro, whatever it's called. We'll just turn the levels up as well because we had to turn them down a bit on the camera for the wireless go. But yeah, as I said earlier, it's a large room, so we're just walking back to see what the audio quality is like. There's quite a bad echo, and I think the shotgun mic will amplify this. But yeah, you know, kind of not being too far away. Oh yes, I suppose really this is the biggest issue with a shotgun mic, which is where you do need to have either a shotgun lav mic or just go for a full lav setup, depending on the sound you've got, is that when you do face the other way, you just can't hear anything, I don't think. So yeah, what we'll do now is we'll go do one final test outside, just to see what the wind's like and if you pick up traffic noise and things like that. And yeah, we'll make our final verdict. Is the Rode Wireless Go something that you need, or should you just go for the all-purpose shotgun mic? So yeah, we're about 2 meters in front of the camera here. We're outside. It's not a very windy day, but there's a lot of birds flying around. Just to keep walking back, just so we keep testing the audio, see what it's like. It's clipped just here, just below my neck here. So as you can see, I'm not quite sure what the actual receiver limit is. I don't know if it's 30 meters, 40 meters. Might have seen that somewhere. So we'll just keep walking back just to see how far the actual audio range can go. I will keep walking for a little bit further just to really test this out. So I'm just going to keep walking here. Just walking still. Yeah, still walking. So now we're probably about 20 to 30 meters away. I can't really see us ever needing further away than this. Realistically, it's a good amount of space away, so just walk back now and try the shotgun mic. So now we've got the shotgun mic. I'm still talking at the same levels as before, just to keep walking back, just to see what the sound quality is like. Is it tinny? Can you even hear me? I probably won't walk back much further than this because we looked at the inside stuff, and yeah, by looks of it, the lav mic is basically a clear winner. So as you can see from the tests, the sound quality does actually vary massively from the shotgun mic to the wireless go, and then the wireless go with the lav mic. Based on what we're using it for, it's definitely a hands down win for the wireless go with the lav mic. That's what we're going to be using moving forward. I really like the clarity and the depth of the sound that's being offered, plus the distance as well. It's absolutely fantastic, and it's not really that expensive. I think £200 for the pair. It's really good value. They've got a good battery life up to 7 hours, and we'll be using this a lot more moving forward. So if you do want to buy these, the links are in the comments below. Check them out. I recommend them. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the subscribe button. Bye for now.